So this will be the part of the lecture where we talk about how do we go to the Weather Underground data site and download historical temperature data. Okay. For this example, what I'm going to use is Aurora, Colorado. Here's what you're going to find, and you're going to have to look for specific weather stations. Is that when I try to use the Denver weather station, it's fairly new. It always gives me the Centennial one. Basically, that weather station started recording data at 1980. That's way too late for me. So what I wanted to do was find a weather station that had dates back to at least 1945. I got close. So Aurora, Colorado has an older weather station, and here's what I'm going to show you, is that it's been recording data since about 1948. But I'll show you where you find that. So here's what we do. So you can put in whatever location you want. If you want to do, let's all do Aurora, Colorado first. Okay, so go to Aurora, Colorado. Is everybody here at this page? Okay. All right. Now what we're going to do, I want you to go down here. This is why I love this thing. Look at these. I love this weather. You can do the, you stop it. See if it'll do it. Yeah. See that? You can go from day to day, and basically what this will do is give you the temperature at any particular point in the day and actually assess risks of precipitation by the hour. I just think this is so awesome. I wish we had this for like biology. Okay, so keep going down, and go to the almanac. Everybody see that part? Okay. Click on Almanac for January 7th, 2015. Okay. Does everybody see this window? Yep. Okay. Right now it's showing us basically the temperature, weather data, climate data for just one day. Everybody's on this page, right? Pre-med, you there? What happened? Is it not letting you? What's that? Oh, okay. All right, I can wait a minute. Did I let you in? Okay, yeah. Go down to the... Okay, is everybody on this window now? Yeah? No? Okay. Here's what I want you to do. So once you've got to that window, did it load? Okay. Huh. Interesting. Maybe we're all hitting it at the same time. I don't know. You got it? Okay, good. All right. So here's what we're going to do. So basically, this is where we get the stored temperature data for any region we want. Down here, so this is giving us the daily data. What we want is custom. What we're going to do is look at, did the max and min temperature for the summer change at all? So we're going to hit custom. Okay, everybody on custom? Now you'll see two different ways we can sort this data. Or at least, two different beginning and an end for what specific time points we want. So summer is typically, for weather purposes, we consider June 1st the start of summer. So go June 1st. Okay. Now we got to pick the year. So I'm going to start from as far back as I can go up until the present. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go all the way down. And this will tell you how far it goes back. Okay? Now, don't hit 1945 because I did that before, and for some reason it doesn't have any data, at least for this time point at that particular year. So let's go. I think the first year that they had was, let's try 1947. Okay? And It's from June 1st to August 31st. Okay. Be sure to change the year again. We have this 47. Okay. Is everybody with me? Okay. Now we're going to go get history. So basically we're telling this database, go get us all your measurements from this time period at this specific year. Okay, let me see. This might have been the... Okay, scratch that. 1948. I think that was the first year that I found that had information. Okay, everybody do that? Denied? Oh, man. Okay, well, I'm recording this, so you're all good. You can watch this later on. Did everybody's crash? Yours crashed? Oh, man. Okay, go back. Go to Aurora. It did crash. Oh, man. Go 1948. G-Love, you got yours going? Good. It likes you. I don't know why. Oh, they got it going. All right. So let's go. We got 1948. Go get history. Okay. When you push that, now what you'll do is you'll go all the way down. Keep going. So again, these are really cool graphics. So this is basically giving the fluctuation in temperature from June 1st to August 31st of 1948 in Aurora, Colorado. You know, I'm a weather geek. I think that's pretty cool. All right, and here are all those values right here. How do you think we're going to get this information? We're going to take this information and use it for ourselves. What do you think you're going to do? What's that? You can. That's true, but I'm going to show you something else because sometimes we can't copy and paste. And you could probably do this with this file. In fact, I know you could. If you go all the way to the bottom to these measurements, you'll see this comma delimited file. You see that? That's code word for you can steal this data in my world. So let's go click on that. Okay. Everybody click on that. Does everybody's window look like this? Yeah. Not much we can do with that, right? That's not really in an Excel file. So here's how we take this and turn this basically import it into Excel. So I'm on this window here. It's got all my data. First off, I want to show you that before we do that, if we go back to the original window, that it's the first column here after the date. The first column and the third column are the ones that we're concerned about. This contains the high for that day and the low for that day. So if I went to, I can basically say on July 2nd, 1948, the highest temperature recorded for that day was 87 and the lowest temperature was 62. Okay? All right, let's go back to our window here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this data. And the way I do this is I go to my window and I'm going to say save page as. Can everybody find that under their file for their browser? What are you guys using? Chrome? You should be able to have that. You got it? Okay, so let's do that. Save page as. Okay. Let's just call this Aurora temp summer, or let's just go temp 1948. And I'm going to put a 2 on mine because I've been doing this. Well, actually, I can do it that way. I'm going to hit save. Yeah, I'll replace that. Okay, did everybody save that? Okay, now let's go to our Open Excel. Just an empty workbook. We're going to go File, and we're going to go Open. Okay. And we're basically, you might not be able to see it. So wherever you saved it, go to that place. If you can't see it, it's probably because it's only doing readable objects. So if you have all readable objects, it won't show up. So be sure to say all files. Can everybody see it now? Okay. Here's the important thing. So now we're gonna open this with Excel. I'm gonna double click on what I just downloaded. Okay. Everybody with me? Okay. Now what it's asking you to do is it's basically, okay, you've downloaded it. Now it's asking you, what is the format this data's in? How do I break this data up? Okay, and if we look here, remember it's delimited, but we also have, what are these things that are separating the different values? Commas, absolutely. So go to next, and this is where we tell it, hey, wherever there's a comma, that's a specific column. So we got delimiters here, our tab, and comma. So click on the comma. Everybody do that? Tell me it looks like this. What's that? Who got this to work? Yeah, you just open it. Say open, and then you got to do the finish thing. Oh, just put it in? Ah, man. Okay. Hold on a sec. Maybe we can do it a different way.